Let's take a look at ASML Holdings. The stock has actually gone up by quite a lot. If you take a price range here from a lows up to the highs here, it actually went up 87.1%, which is quite a lot. And the stock is right now in a correction mode because it dropped below this kind of trend line. So at this moment, you have to be very careful if you are thinking of long stock. So definitely, it dropped below some kind. This was kind of some of a triangle pattern. We have an uptrend line here. Instead of breaking up, it broke low below the 20 MA and 50 MA, and that's why the large red bars. But along the way, when it was going up, it kind of produced a lot of trading opportunities. For example, after this bullish cross, it broke above this consolidation, which can be a buy setup, the stop loss below, and then we have another consolidation breakout. It rose, you can put a stop loss here, and then it corrected, form a double bottom pattern with a small kind of the bottoming tail, I think. With the bottoming tail at the rising 50 MA, which is a trade setup where you can buy it higher, put stop loss here. And since the 50 MA is rising, it hinted of kind of good move upwards. And here also, even though it's a foreign stock, but which means that the trading can be quite choppy up and down, gapping up and down, but it went above this consolidation as it meet the 20 MA and then it rise. Here it was setting up a triangle, but triangle failed to break out but break lower, so that's why it's heading lower. Now let's take a look at the weekly chart of stock. Stock had a kind of double top here with topping tails here, that's why it fell. And then I think it broke, is it an uptrend line? Actually, you can draw a trend line here and also another steeper uptrend line here. That's why once it broke below the uptrend line 20 MA, it kind of declined, and then we have a bearish cross in the weekly chart. But after that, it breaks above this downtrend line. Try to find support at the weekly 200 MA, then decline, but at around the 200 MA, it rose back and broke above a downtrend line and continued to rise, making higher highs, higher lows until here, where it declined. To near the 200 MA, there was a slowing down of bearish momentum with these dojis and small bottoming tail. And you can see that it corrected to support area here, and that's why it rise. And at this moment, it's correcting, but previous higher is a very strong support area, so you might want to look for a possible buy the dip as it reaches around this area. Maybe you want to look at weekly bullish reversal candlestick pattern as it reached this area. So it's not that far from that area, so around here we should expect some kind of slowing down of bearish momentum, and we want to see if we can stabilize and pick up the stock around here if you wish to buy it. At this moment, it's still in a bearish mode. It's below the 20 MA, 50 MA, and 200 MA in the 60-minute chart. I would advise maybe you take a look at the 50 MA, wait for it to stabilize, and go back above the 50 MA before you buying the stock again. So, monthly chart, you can see that this stock actually went up all the way, corrected, went here, hit resistance but corrected and went break above the previous high here. So this stock is in a monthly uptrend. If it drops to this support area, and let me just remove drawings. So topping tail here, so that's why there is bearishness a bit. But if you can find support around this area, previous high area, then you can see weekly bullish reversal candlestick pattern can form, and then maybe you can also interested in long the shares, especially investors can see if it can stabilize here and maybe go up again. So I hope this analysis is helpful to you, and I'll see you in the next one.